My name is Russ Gareth Prince, and I'm a Rastafari lawyer who've been denied the ability to practice my chosen profession because I admitted to the Law Society that I use cannabis as part of my lifestyle. Well, on the 31st of March in this year, we won a victory at the Western Cape High Court, in terms of which certain provisions of the Drugs and Drug Trafficking Act were declared unconstitutional, specifically the provisions that relates to dagga or cannabis. Now, for that order to take effect, it has to be confirmed by the highest court in the land, and that is what we are here today for the confirmation hearing. So we are here to argue that the decision of the Western Cape High Court should be confirmed and that the state's appeal should be rejected, and basically that the Rastafari and the cannabis community be afforded a space to live their lives as free and proud South Africans.
It's a very important day for South Africa today, as we are in the process of legalizing cannabis in South Africa. Obviously it's an extremely long trial, and it's been going on for some time. And today we have brought the people to the streets to show them that most of us are patients, and most of us use this plant either for spiritual or for medical reasons. And if we have a look at our Rastafarian brothers and what they use it for, we have to respect that. And it is time that the country gets together and understand that this plant and the industry it brings, if we just have a look at what it's doing overseas, we can actually save this country. As a cannabis user, we've got loads of challenges in the country. The first thing, we've got a lot of Rastafarians and a lot of our people getting arrested, being put in jail. And now if you put a 19-year-old boy in jail for having 1 gram of cannabis on him because he uses that to manage his anxiety instead of drinking, and we give him a criminal record, that is why the people in our country can't get jobs, as we're stuck with loads of people who were arrested for victimless crimes. And that's what we need to understand, is by using cannabis, we're not hurting anybody. In fact, we have proof how we are helping people save their own lives.
A lot of people, they tend to think that if cannabis is freed up, the country is going to go to the rafters. Well, we need to get rid of this prejudice, stereotypical point of view, and we need to understand that cannabis, or dagga, is this country's most natural, reliable, and renewable resource. And that instead of becoming a country that's just going to smoke all the time, we want to work with cannabis. We want cannabis to be the economic compass of this country, because it is our most valuable natural resource, and it's about time that we use what we have to get what we want.